All right, welcome back everyone. So it's been weeks. We still got fires, helicopters flying overhead all the time, and finally had a little bit of a break in the wind. So we're here. We're gonna try to break 51. We got an okay tune on it. She's probably gonna want to lift. We have a straight turn fin, but we also have a bit of a kinked mount, so we're still at an angle. Anyways, got the GPS tracking, motion, read. It's from before. There's your 2 miles an hour. Start. There's the motion. All right, I'm gonna tape her up and we will throw her in the water and see how she responds to the straight turn fin and this, what am I gonna say? Eyeballed tune. Eyeballed tune. We got the GPS. Still tracking. All right. Always nervous driving this boat. Always nervous. Gotta get these birds out of the way over here. All right, we had to fix some hull issues the last time. Oh, oversteer. Fix that trim. Oh, much better. Hopping in the turns a little bit. Almost lost it. Nosedived and flipped. Waste my entire battery getting this freaking boat right now. Of course you did, 73. There you go. All right. Ready for another shot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna straighten that fucker out like that a little bit. All right. Oop. That was clean. Probably about 50 right there. I need to drop that strut way more. Thought I was gonna hit that buoy. And we flipped again. 45. All right, let's do that again. At least we got no water in her. At least we got no water in her. She's running better than before, though, guys. She has a harder time turning. This fin still needs a bend. Oh, almost lost it. Still needs to drop that strut. She wants to lift up. Last pass. All right. Let's see what she did. Come on. Get signal. $46. Come on. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Felt faster than 46. Man, almost hit the rescue boat. All right, let's see what she's got. $47. She's feeling much faster than before, but let's see. Whoa, I thought I was going to hit the rescue boat. Damn, I thought I was gonna hit the rescue boat. I was gonna crash into that thing so hard. Maybe a tiny bit of water. .48. Keep gaining a mile per hour. All right. The water's so nice though, you know, you kind of keep wanting to do one last pass. And I only have one battery here, so I don't really want to drain this battery too much. And I probably should put the swoop fin on because she does turn a little better with it. So honestly, no water. No water. I do want to do one more pass. Do we dare? Yeah, we do. Because we thought we were going to hit the rescue boat. All right, let's see that. Did we break 50 again? Feels so slow today. Okay, last one, guys, I promise. Whoa, hitting that buoy. My battery's dead. I don't want to discharge it too much. It's probably already toast. All right. Well, all in all, I'm not very disappointed, and I'll tell you why. Because we were taking on a bunch of water before. A bunch of water. And we had some cracks in the seam. We had a failing mount for the... We had a failing mount for the turn fin, so all these things coming into play actually, you know, could have been worse. The tune felt a little better, but obviously she didn't perform as good. I mean, that's not true. Just because she went 51 doesn't mean she was going 51 smoothly. She was going between 45 and 47 today very beautifully, actually. Very beautifully. Try the swoop fin next time with maybe a little less of a bend in the fin to accommodate for the straight fin I'm using now. All right. Killed the whole pack. Didn't flip over. Nose dove once, twice really into the turn. But look at that. Finally, almost no water in her. Usually she's got a bunch of water because I was getting water in from over here, and I was actually getting water in from the seam. So I did a resin repair on the seam. If you could see, I don't know if you can see that. But because I did so many nosedives at over 40 miles an hour, over and over and over again with this heavy motor, she ended up having a couple cracks, so I just repaired it. But anyways, obviously everything is ice cold. ESC is 81. Motor is 82, battery 96, the hottest. So it wasn't bad. I'm gonna swap props for the next one and drop the strut. Drop the strut. Have to drop the strut, so then we have more adjustment to lift the bow. So we want to drop the strut so that it lifts the transom and drops the bow at the same time. So then right now we have no more adjustment to go down. So, and she still wants to do this, and we had our CG all the way up here. So theoretically, with the theoretical waterline, you would want to drop the strut so that it lifts, the angle of the thrust of the propeller lifts down like that, so that the angle of attack of the boat is not like this. I'm doing this very drastically right now, but we're talking millimeters of movement to do up and down, and you know, to lift the transom up and to lift the bow down, or vice versa. All right, so thank you for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it, and we will see you next time.